Welcome back to the channel. I got a topic for you guys today. So I don't know if you're a beginner or not, just getting into bikes or whatever. But don't do that. So if most of you guys are beginners or whatnot, hopefully this will help you. So I want to do 5 tips for beginners. But I guess first, a lot of these are going to seem simple, but like they're actually going to help. And a lot of them I did. And if you're new into riding, oh my god, it's beautiful. If you're new into riding, I would say take the MSF course, bro. Take the riding course. It's gonna help you, trust me. Yeah, that was ass. But yeah, take the course. I took it. I didn't need to take it because I've ridden dirt bikes and everything before, so I knew how to ride. My parents made me take it, but it was still kind of nice, just kind of, you know, refresh and go over all those things. And I did learn a couple things about, you know, like cornering and all that crap, so it's not gonna hurt to take it. Whew. So I'd say go ahead and take it. I think it's like $100 or something stupid like that. It's not bad, and it's really easy. Well, it was for me at least, because I already knew how to ride, but it should be for most of you. And number 2, like I said, some of these are gonna sound really simple, but get a bike that'll suit you as a beginner. Like, don't go up to a freaking leader bike, you know, don't get no H2, you know. Like I said, it's gonna sound so easy, but a lot of people, ooh, look at that view. Ooh, a lot of people will just jump straight to a 600 or a leader bike, like, yeah man, on some tough shit. Like, nah, like everybody starts somewhere. Like, 2 wheels is 2 wheels, so get a 400, get a 650, just get something low cc that you'll feel comfortable on, because you know 600s are a lot less forgiving than the low cc sport bikes. So even though they have like different modes, like mode A, B, D, standard and all that, go ahead and just get a low cc bike to start off with. If you're like brand new to riding, if you already kind of know how to ride, I could see you going straight to a 650 or like an R7 or Pirelli R660, or maybe even a 600. It's on you. It depends how comfortable you are, if you've ever been on the road or anything like that before. So that's gonna be number 2. Number 3, this kind of ties into like 2 of them that I wanted to talk about. It's gonna be, don't go on really big group rides. Just don't. Sometimes you go to the group rides, you'll see it'll be like straight leader bikes, all leader bikes. You'll be like the smallest cc bike there. You'll be like, damn, what the hell? That's 1. And 2, you're also gonna be like, no one's gonna have any plates, no tags, and you're like, oh shit. Or you'll be like, damn, what did I sign myself up for? So, because like if you do go on group rides, and like I said, they're all bigger cc sport bikes, no one has tags. And you know, as soon as you get on the highway or something, I guess it also depends who you're riding with, but like they're probably all just gonna, you know, go flying if they're on leader bikes and shit. So then they're gonna leave you stranded because you can't keep up with them because they're so fast, and you're like, damn. So you obviously probably not gonna know where you're going, so you're gonna try flying up with them. You're gonna try, like, you know, you're gonna try ripping up with them, and it won't end well. Like, you're just gonna try keeping up with them, which is the second topic that kind of led into this, is ride at your own pace. I see this happen so much. It happened with me the other day when I was riding with this leader bike, dude. That Gixxer, I'm like, he was ripping on the back roads. I'm like, I'm not doing that. If it's gonna put your life or safety in jeopardy, it's not worth it. Especially if you're not comfortable, and it depends what your skill level is and all that, but we're on the roads. You shouldn't be going 100% either way, so, which is why I really want to go to the track, which I probably will eventually. That's a big one. I would say stay away from group rides for a little bit until you're comfortable with just, you know, how your bike feels being on the road with other people that just leading to another topic, that just don't see you. It's just, because like even if you're riding dirt bikes like I have, it's a whole different ball game being on the road. So yeah, that's probably a pretty big one, which enough people, I don't think enough people really talk about that. I didn't really go on any big group rides my first time. My parents didn't want me riding group rides for that reason, like, so I didn't ride in group rides really. For the first like couple of months, they wanted me to wait, and I did. Maybe with like a buddy or two. I'd say a third one is...
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Being aware, guys. Being aware is huge. Ooh, look at this little pond. It's nice. I don't know how much gravel's over here, but... Being aware of what's around you, who's around you, it's just huge. It's huge, which is why it's really good having mirrors. I took my mirrors off a little bit. I really should keep them on. Even if you do take these mirrors off, I would recommend like borrowing mirrors, because it helps a lot. If you're coming to a stop or something, you got mirrors, check the mirror, see if someone's flying up on your tail, you know. Have an escape route. Think about that. Think about an escape route, where you can go if that happens, if this happens. You know, it's just... It just helps. It helps you ride a lot safer. Because if you're not aware, guys, like, I have no clue where I'm at, but, you know, YOLO. But yeah, so I'd say just being aware, like I said, kind of predict what people are gonna do and all that. Like sometimes you can tell, like if someone's pulling out, look at their front tire. Check their front tire, because if you look at them and it looks like, you know, they're looking your direction, like it happened to me multiple times. They'll be looking, it looks like they're looking right at you, but they really ain't. They just don't see you. So look at their front wheel, see if it starts to go, then you know whether or not to slow down or whatnot. That's huge. So that's number 3. Being aware. Whew. What a road. What is that shit? How about that braking though, baby? Anyways, I got lost. What was I saying? Safety tips? Yeah, don't do what I'm doing again. Number 4, this one's pretty big. Buy gear, and don't just buy cheap gear. Like, buy something that'll be worth your time, not like, you know, $20 gear. You know, just don't buy that. Just don't buy crap gear. Some big names: Alpine Stars, Icon, you know, Sedici, Dainese, all of them. They're all really good brands. There's a lot more. I'm sure I'm missing a couple. But buy good gear. It'll save your ass. I went down once in the mountains. I had my boots on, my gloves, so I got a little hole there. I have a couple other little marks on it. I could throw some pictures up. My jacket got torn up. I had the Alpine Stars jacket. That thing saved my ass from road rash. And then I had jeans. The only thing I really didn't have was protective jeans. The jeans still did help. There was a hole in it. But it's better than wearing some, you know, shorts or some bullshit. But I guess I should get padded jeans. But yeah, gear is huge. You get some gear that'll be worth an investment, worth your time, and just something that'll save your life, you know. Get a good helmet too. I know gear can get expensive. You don't have to get the most expensive shit. You're on the street. You know, it's not like you're on the track, but still, I recommend good gear. Doesn't change the fact that you could still get, you know, anything could happen in a matter of a second like that. So be aware. Good gear, like I said, it sounds simple. I know I'm not wearing a jacket right now. I'm working on it. I gotta buy a jacket. I know what jacket I want. I gotta get it. But you know, I had to get headers first. You know, I gotta give you guys what you guys want. If you know what I'm saying. So, and number 5, I think is really big too. Take your time, practice. Slow down, just learn the fundamentals, which kind of goes back along to number 1 or 2, just learning the bike. Like, learn the fundamentals of the bike, get comfortable on it, practice. And because, like I always say, and it's so true, I'm sure you guys have heard it before, once you get too comfortable on the bike, once you're feeling, you know, kind of like that cocky son of a bitch, you know, like, yeah, I got this under control now, I know what I'm doing, which you may know what you're doing, Oh, damn. He after someone. Slow down, because that's when bad shit happens. You know, you get hurt and all that. Which also goes along to riding within your comfort zone, your skill zone, all that. You know, it's just huge. You ride within your limits. You can see if someone's in front of you and you're trying to follow their lines and stuff, but still, if they're just losing you, slow down. So just practice, practice, practice. That dude is hauling, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, but nah, bro, ride your own ride. Hell nah. Hell nah. Damn, that boy was moving. Don't do that, bro. And yeah, those are pretty much like all the basic kind of tips I can give for you guys that I kind of learned along the way. So if you guys enjoyed that video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a like, please, baby. Comment down below if you have a question, and I try to answer them for you guys. Thank you guys for the support as well. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Ride safe. Over and out. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.